Let's have it. Come on.
I beg, why not people wahala?
Come on, baby, let's have it.
You never see anything.
Let's have it. Let's have it. Come on.
I beg, why not people wahala?
How it started.
Yes, who's that?
He's the lesson teacher.
Oh, come in. The door is open.
Hi, good evening, ma.
Evening. I'm sorry, I thought you were supposed to send a guy.
Yes, Mr. Tunde. He's my colleague and he went for an outside job, so he couldn't meet up. I will be representing him for at least 2-3 days. Ma, you have nothing to worry about, eh? Whatever service Mr. Tunde will render to you, I can as well render it, and I'm very good at my job. Not to brag, but I'm one of the best teachers in the school, so your child is in a safer hands. So, don't worry, I'm going to take care of your child. I'll make sure your child passes his JAMB and there will be no problem with his results. Excuse me, ma. Hello, ma. Ma, is everything okay? Hello, ma.
Oh, sorry.
Is everything okay, ma?
Yeah. Okay, you said you are the lesson teacher.
Yes, ma. My name is Gift, ma.
Hey,
Yes.
hey. Oh, such a beautiful name.
Thank you, ma. So, ma, I don't know if your child is around, so we can start now. Ma, are you okay?
Ah, yes. Gift, right?
Yes, ma.
Okay, come closer. So,
ma.
I want you to tell me, what subjects can you
Can I teach?
Yeah.
Ma, I'm very good at many subjects. Let's start with mathematics, English, literature, and what's it called? Economy and government. Very good at these subjects. And another thing is, it's not about what I can teach, it's about what your son really needs, because some kids are good in some subjects and they are not in some subjects. So if I meet your son now, I'll be able to know the subject he's good at and pick up from there. Are you sure you're okay? Excuse me, ma. Are you fine? Hello, ma. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. So I was asking you, what subject can you like teach my son? Like, what subject are you good at?
Ma, like I said, I'm good at least 5 subjects: mathematics, English, literature, government, and economics. But like I said earlier, that I need to see your son so we can discuss and know the subject he's good at. From there we'll kick up. I will know where to teach him.
Oh, sorry. So you're good at all subjects, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, how much are they paying you?
Okay, ma. You ordered us from online, and what they posted there is 40,000. The school takes 20 and they pay us 20, but I won't be the one receiving the salary anyways. I'm just representing my colleague, so when he comes, oh, sorry, ma.
Thank you. So you were saying something, right?
Yes, I said that they posted what they posted online was 40,000. The school takes 20 and they give the teacher 20. So, but I'm not the one
Yeah. So, so you said they pay for how much?
Okay, like I said, online they posted 40,000 and they give the teachers 20,000. And no, it's my colleague. Oh, like I said, I'm representing him. So maybe if anything you want to give to me after teaching your child, it's okay. Maybe transport, it's fine. But maybe when my colleague comes, you guys will discuss the rest things.
Okay. Gifts, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, gift. Tell me, like, if I want you to continue teaching my son, so how much will it be?
Ma, remember you're not paying directly to me. You are not paying me direct. Excuse me, ma. Yeah, you're not paying me direct. You're paying the school. So whatsoever you pay to the school gives us part of it. Do you understand? And I wasn't the one you applied for. It was my colleague you requested for. So you have to talk to the school if you want me to teach your son from the beginning till the end. And that's about 2 weeks. So you have to discuss it with the school.
So, hi gifts. You said normally I'll talk to the school so that you can teach my son from beginning to the end.
Okay.
And I'll be giving you transport there.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Apart from the money they are paying you, I'll add extra 50,000.
Are you serious, ma?
Yeah, sure.
Wow, thank you very much, ma. I appreciate 50,000 for 2 weeks. Thank you so much, ma. I appreciate. I appreciate. Ma, please, where is your son? I would like us to start the lesson now.
Actually, my son is not around, but that's not a problem. Before I call him, there's something I want to show you in my bedroom.
In your bedroom?
Yeah.
Okay.
So just come.
Okay, ma.
I believe you know why we are here.
Yes, I do.
You're so sweet. I know you're this sweet. I enjoyed it too. Okay, the way you just took me to Cloud 9. I felt I'm not stopping. Girl, you're good.
You're good. Like, you're bad. Should I call you bad though?
I'm glad you enjoyed it. I enjoyed it also. So tell me, have you done this before?
Just once. I've done it once, and since then, I haven't seen anybody to do it again.
So you've done it once, and since then you've not seen anybody to do it.
Yeah.
And you're this good. Girl, you're a pro.
I guess I learned from the best.
I think so. Okay. Now you've seen somebody able to doing it. Oh, you don't want to do it with me. Gifts. Indeed, you're a gift, baby girl.
Okay. So, about the money, is it at the end of 2 weeks you pay me, or am I getting it today?
If you want, I can pay you today. I'll transfer the money for you.
Really?
Today, like right now.
Oh, you're the best. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Back to what brought me here. Your son, I think you should call him, so at least let me start today now. Let's see what we can achieve before it gets dark.
That's not a problem for him. Okay. I'm gonna. Hello. Yes, baby. You need to start coming in like right now. Your teacher is here. Okay.
It is in a play.
You got them pass, bro.